Look at all these cars, Alex.
There are so many options.
Our old car is really struggling.
I know. It's time for an upgrade.
Do you want a big car or a small one?
Something reliable and fuel efficient.
I like the red one over there.
Red is nice, but let's check the prices first.
Look, that SUV looks very safe.
It does, but it might be too big for the city.
Let's just keep looking for a bit.
Good idea. Let's find the perfect one.
Alex, look at this blue sedan.
It's a very nice color.
The interior looks so comfortable.
Let's see. It has great gas mileage.
And look at those leather seats.
It says here it has a hybrid engine.
That's perfect for the environment.
And for our wallet, too.
Can we see the inside?
We need to find a salesperson first.
I think I see someone coming.
Good. I have a lot of questions.
Good morning. I'm Mr. Miller.
Hello, Mr. Miller. We're looking at this blue car.
Is this the latest model?
Yes, it is. The 2026 Hybrid Special.
It's beautiful. What are the main features?
It has advanced safety sensors and a sunroof.
What about the warranty?
5 years or 60,000 miles.
That sounds very reasonable.
Can we take a closer look at the interior?
Of course. Let me get the keys for you.
Thank you so much.
The steering wheel feels great.
It's leather-wrapped and heated.
Oh, I love heated seats too.
Yes, both front seats are heated.
What is this large screen for?
That's the navigation and media system.
Does it connect to our smartphones?
Yes, it has wireless connectivity.
The dashboard looks very futuristic.
It's so much better than our old car.
I like the digital display.
It's designed to be very user-friendly. And here is the trunk space.
Wow, it's actually quite big.
Will our suitcases fit here?
Easily. You can also fold down the rear seats.
That's very practical for long trips.
Is there a spare tire underneath?
Yes, there is a full-size spare tire.
That's good to know for emergencies.
The trunk opening is quite wide too.
It makes loading heavy items much easier.
I can imagine our groceries fitting perfectly.
This car is very well designed. Let's take a look under the hood.
This is a 4-cylinder hybrid engine.
It looks very clean.
Hybrids are very efficient for city driving.
How often does it need maintenance?
Every 10,000 miles is recommended.
Is the battery easy to access?
The main battery is under the rear seats.
Is it a quiet engine?
Very quiet, especially in electric mode.
I'm impressed by the technology.
It's one of the best in its class.
The handling is very smooth.
The suspension is designed for comfort.
It's so quiet inside the cabin.
The brakes are very responsive too.
That's the regenerative braking system.
It feels very safe and stable.
How is the acceleration on the highway?
It has plenty of power when you need it.
I really like the visibility from this seat.
Me too. No blind spots so far.
The blind spot monitors help with that.
This is a great driving experience.
So, what did you think of the test drive?
We loved it. It's a fantastic car.
But we need to talk about the price.
The MSRP is $35,000.
Is there any room for negotiation?
I can offer a small discount for today.
What about the financing options?
We have a low interest rate for 60 months.
That sounds interesting. What's the down payment?
Usually 10%, but we are flexible.
Can we include the floor mats in the price?
I think I can make that happen for you. Everything is ready. Just sign here.
There we go. It's official.
We finally have a new car.
Congratulations to both of you.
Thank you for all your help, Mr. Miller.
It was my pleasure. Here are your keys.
They even have a nice keychain.
A small gift from the dealership.
I'm looking forward to driving it home.
Drive safely and enjoy the road.
We definitely will. Thank you again.
You're very welcome. Have a great day.
I can't believe it's ours.
It's a big step for us, Sophia.
Where should we go first?
How about a nice dinner to celebrate?
That sounds like a perfect plan.
The car smells so new inside.
I love that new car smell.
Let's test the sound system now.
Play our favorite song, Alex.
Here we go. Let's enjoy our new ride.
I'm so glad we chose this one.
Me too. It's perfect for us.